tiny bridge.
Oh yeah, you have to cross it on the bridge.
Everyone say what's up.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
All right, if I die, I die. Let's see.
No, you're not. Just balance.
Okay.
Like, do you want me to do the
Wait, is
demo?
it one at a time or like?
Yo, why are you bouncing on my shit? Oh shit.
It's pretty stable.
It is.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Stop.
She said stop. Wow, wait, let me take a picture.
Stop saying stop. Try not to say stop.
Let's see how long it takes my mom to call me.
Oh, look at this bitch.
Stop.
Run it, run it, run it, run it. I'll roll. I'll bloom. I'll grow. Sadie's in her element right
Wait,
now.
what if you have like a baby? What do you do if you have a baby here?
You have to strap her on your back,
You don't
bro.
bring the baby, bro.
You don't bring a stroller either.
Yeah, you're right. You're like a little kangaroo. You do not.
Yeah, like a tight one.
Whoa, guys, it looks like a jungle. Whoa. It does, huh? Vanessa, you're like putting
Sorry. I'm sorry.
honestly, I think it's pretty easy.
Really interactive.
It's like very, like someone got drunk here.
Some cheap ass shit, ew.
The $5 shit?
Yeah, nah, that shit was like $3.50.
Oh, fuck that.
Not even a name brand, not even Fireball.
An energy drink.
Go that way. Or you want to do the fucking cool way?